Hi guys. So today I'm crossing the border to Miri. So Miri is in the state of Sarawak, Malaysia. East part of the Malaysia, East Malaysia, on the legendary island of Borneo. Going to use my passport to cross the border. For that, before going through the immigration, going to pass a bridge with a fee, which is about 3 Brunei dollars. So it is quite interesting for probably some of you guys, or most of you guys don't know about this, crossing border from Brunei to Miri, Malaysia. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to stay in Miri for 2 nights in the hotel. I have a big window. Yeah, it's actually big. Doesn't look big inside in the video. So this is the closet, open concept closet. This is a midi bar. All of these are free, but here it's empty, so no soft drink. The toilet, bathtub, a shower, the toiletries. My room consists of the double bed. If I want to have the king bed size, so it will be in the executive floor, so I need to pay extras, which I don't want. It turns out that it took me around 1 hour and a half actually arrive at my destination, so it's quite long. Person between Brunei and crossing over to here, there is quite a difference in terms of the road condition. When you cross the border to Miri, so that's when you will see the difference. The road was a bit bumpy. Well, for the first 10 kilometers, I would say, yeah, it's a bit bumpy. So after that, towards the city, the road become better and better. So yeah, that's how they do it here. Basically, it's the same as anywhere else. Basically, in Brunei as well, the road condition is not all of them in a prestige condition. So in the country, in the village side, will not be as better as in the city. Yeah, and after all, we always experience rain since we are sits in the close to the equators, so that's the reason why we have the rains that worsen the road condition. There's something that I want to point out, that close to the hotel, close to the hotel there is a mall over there. Yeah, that one. So that is the Brunei-Miri Mall, and beside it is an older building which called Imperial Mall, and on top of that it is a hotel and apartment, so you can stay there as well. I stayed there before. It's quite a nice hotel. So I will show you the view in the morning. Okay, see you in the morning. Bye. Look at that view. Nice seahorse. And down here we have swimming pool at the 7th floor. This is on the 17th floor, by the way. This hotel has 24 floors. I'm at the Starbucks car park, but I actually just bought some drinks from Starbucks from the drive-thru. I actually wanted to show you this drink that I just bought. It's actually a cappuccino. It's a coffee, and on top is cheese. So let's try. It's nice.